Hi everyone, so it's the weekend, Saturday. I have a bit more time to make breakfast on a Saturday, so I don't really eat much breakfast during the week because it's normally coffee and work, and then normally the first thing that I have would be brunch, like something like avocado and toast. But today, because there's no one here and I'm by myself, which is very rare, I'm going to be making like a different style breakfast. So you guys have probably heard of baked oats, and it's kind of like a TikTok, a bit of a viral sensation. Baking your oats, blitzing them first and then baking them, and you can top it off with any kind of healthy toppings. Could be like peanut butter, banana, could be like raspberries, blueberries, honey, maple syrup, a bit of yogurt on there as well. So I have never actually tried it before, so I'm going to try it today. So follow the video and see how I get on. So first things first, we need our ingredients. We've got a banana, egg, porridge oats, we've got some almond butter, or you can use peanut butter, baking powder as well to help it rise, and some maple syrup. So we get everything ready to whiz up. So we've got the banana in there. I'm going to add in some oats, about half a cup of oats in there, and 1 egg as well that goes into the mix. Add the baking powder, about half a teaspoon of baking powder I've put in there, and then some peanut butter or almond butter. I've used almond butter. And then a dash of maple syrup or honey to give it some sweetness, and then whiz it all up together in the blender. Pour it into a ramekin, pop in the oven at 175 for about 20 minutes. So we have our baked oats done. Look at the texture. Looks like a cake to me. We're gonna try it. It's got almond butter in it. I can smell the banana already, so a bit hot, but. So that really does have a texture like a cake. I'm gonna have some more. Oh, hot, hot. Really nice. It's like eating cake for breakfast. You kind of feel like, you should feel like it's a bit naughty, but it's actually just oats, banana, and all the good stuff. There's nothing actually bad in there, really. So that could be quite addictive, and I think my daughter might actually like it. But next time I think I'll try it with a different variation. So maybe like raspberries and strawberries or blueberries would be a really good one with honey on top, or even, oh, you could even do it with chocolate chips. Or they could do carrot cake, so grated carrot in there as well. A bit of cinnamon, that would be nice. So yeah, I've just added in real bananas in there with a bit more maple syrup as well. That looks proper good. I really like that now, thinking about it more. So yeah, very good idea, whoever came up with that. If you've tried it, please comment on or like this video below, and let me know your thoughts if you've tried it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon for the next video.